Hi guys, Crafting 101 here. Today we're going to be making a Snowman Snowflake. Yeah, we're going to be using a white piece of A4 paper. I'm going to fold it all up. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. And then we're going to cut a snowman out of it, so that when you open it all up at the end, you've got a snowman all linked up with other snowmen. So yeah, before I do that though, if you could like, share and subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate that. It really helps me if you like the videos I put out. And any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. In the meantime, let's get on with it. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to fold your piece of paper in half. I've got the same problem. I can't get over the top to look without sticking my head in front of the camera, so I'll lift it up and do it. So that's good, I'm happy with that. It's folded in half now, like so. And then what you want to do is you just want to not crease it in half or fold it in half, just want to make a little notch at the end there like that, so that the rest isn't creased. So you just got a little crease here, and put your finger on that, and then bring this piece, put your finger on the line there, and bring this piece over, like so, and then the same again, bring this piece over in line with the one below, and then fold that down, lift it up, and as you can see it's not very level under there, so we'll bring this one up and over a bit more, and then what you'll see is it's pretty much spot on now. So just fold it out flat, and then what you want to do is you want to fold it in half again. So you've got a nice point this end, and then what you'll see is you've got a flap here, and there's another one just in there, just like that. When you cut out your Snowman Snowflake in a second, you want to make sure that you do not go above this line here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our scissors and just cut half a semicircle like that. So we get rid of that bit, we don't need that bit anymore. So when we open it up now, we should have almost a perfect circle. So to help us along our way, we're just going to fold everything down, make sure it's nice and tight. Right, so now we've got it cut out and it's all folded down nice and flat, we're going to start shaping the snowman itself. So we're going to give him some eyes. Now I've got a hole punch here, it's just a single hole punch, so we're just going to give him an eye about there, and I'm just going to cut through If you can't cut through with your punch all the pages, come in from the top. And do it that way, and then the same again. There, so you've got your hole there for his eyes. So now we're going to give him a mouth. Cut him a mouth actually with the scissors. Like so. And now I'm just going to give him a nose. What we're going to do there, give him a carrot nose. So we're going to cut about there, about a quarter to half a centimetre, and then we're going to cut up at an angle like so. So we've got our snowman's nose, and then if you want to, you can give him a top hat. So we'll give him a top hat. So to give him a top hat, we're going to cut across here just above the eye at a little bit of an angle, coming back round and down. Like so. And then about 2 or 3 mil from the top, we're going to cut again. About there. And then we're going to cut across at an angle and up. So from here, like so. So we've got a mouth, nose, eyes, top hat. Just gonna trim the top hat a little bit more. Remove that paper. So there we got our hat as well. Nice hat. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to give him some buttons. We're going to give him a couple of buttons. So we're just going to cut like little diamond shapes out, very little. Just 2 of those. So there's one. And there's 2. So as you can see, we've got 2 buttons just there. So now what we're going to do with our scissors, we're going to edge around his hat. So for about there, and then cut out, and just trim that bit off. We don't need that bit. And then once you've done that, we're going to come around to his head. So we've got a nice round head with the nose cut out, the eyes, 2 buttons. So now we're going to cut back up and give him some little stick arms. I think we'll come in a little bit more with his head. And then some stick arms. Like so. And we're just going to then trace out the rest of his body with the scissors. So let's have a look. Might just give him another button. I think he needs another button. So that's the button out, and hopefully we got something that looks like a snowman. Yeah, not bad at all. It could be a Halloween Stay Puffed Man from Ghostbusters, actually. Just be careful when you open it up. And there you have your Snowman Snowflake. Stay puffed. Snowflake from Ghostbusters. But no, that's basically how you make a snowman. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I hope you're not too traumatised by my snowman. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Good.